Your accurate forecast from Adam Bell starts now with Storm Tracker weather on Montana's news station.
Welcome back. I'm back live here outside of our weather patio, and I've been looking at this thermometer down below me, and it's hovering right around the 0 mark, but it's actually a lot colder in a lot of places across southwest Montana. So let's get right to the numbers and show you what's going on. -6 right now in Butte, -9 in Bozeman, 2 more degrees in Bozeman. It'll be the coldest it has been since the winter of 2010 going into 2011. So not last winter, but the winter before that, where we hit -11 in early January this past year. Now, as we look at the rest of what's going on across southwest Montana, we are looking at potentially record lows tonight into tomorrow morning. Just update these numbers for you. I don't think we'll set a record out the Belgrade at the Bozeman Yellowstone International Airport. Livingston definitely a possibility. Townsend definitely a possibility. Butte most likely, and even Wisdom's getting pretty close. So record lows tonight into tomorrow morning as we have the trifecta of the perfect conditions moving into southwest Montana. The first of which, or one of the three, is the clearing skies that we're seeing tonight. Calm winds, clear skies, and this fresh snow all combining to give us, again, the coldest air of this season and possibly even of last winter season as well. So it's been quite a while since we've seen temperatures this cold. There's your current number, -9. Also the low temperature for the day today. Average high, 48 degrees. Nowhere's close. Average low, didn't even get up that warm this afternoon. That's how chilly it is here in southwest Montana. Over in the mining city, also -6 is the current temperature. -10 just a couple hours ago was the low temperature so far of the day. We did get to 11 above, but still nowhere near where we should be in terms of our average temperatures this time of year. Earlier today, I want to take some video now, show you what was going on over Bobcat Stadium, how quickly they cleared off the stadium for the big game against Portland State. Well, it wasn't much of a game in terms of the score, but they did a great job clearing out the stadium pretty quickly, and you can see it's a lot of work, not only on the field, but also out in the stands as well. Now let's take a look at our iCams live, see what's going on in the Bozeman area in terms of, well, let's go with the numbers first, as we got -6 right now again in the mining city, and we're going to continue seeing some very comfortable numbers. Now let's take a look at our iCams if we can see what's going on out there, and you can see for yourself, pretty quiet conditions, not a lot of motion, not a lot of activity. The one thing you can't see is how cold it is, but trust me, as I'm standing out in it, it is cold out there. On the other side of the divide, another great shot in the mining city. Roads will be slick tonight into tomorrow morning. No chance of even getting above freezing during the day tomorrow, but the sunlight may actually melt some of the snow and ice as it gets out there, but it's definitely going to be icy for that morning commute. Now let's take a look at the bigger picture on the satellite radar composite. Not much to talk about in terms of precipitation. That's the good news. The bad news, again, how cold it is going to be tonight. So an isolated chance for a flurry in the early evening hours, but as we go into tomorrow, the skies will begin to break. We could see some morning fog, but by tomorrow afternoon, looking plenty of sunshine. Sunglasses are a good idea. Even though it's going to be so cold, you could actually get sunburnt because if you have the reflection of the sun bouncing back off the snow onto you. So definitely not anything to mess around with. We'll have more on the 7-day and what you can expect in the week ahead coming up in just a few minutes, but let's take a quick break. We'll be right back.